Watch this. So these look like plain old cards, right? But when I hover over these games, they create an infinite blur effect, almost like placing two mirrors in front of each other. This isn't just a simple hover animation, it's a seamless high-end effect that makes your website feel modern and dynamic. And the best part, it's fully responsive and optimized for speed, so it won't slow down your site. So let's dive in and create this effect from scratch using Elementor. First, we need to set up the structure for the cards. Start by inserting a full-width container into your section. This will serve as the base for our design. Head over to the advanced settings and set the padding to 0 to make sure everything aligns perfectly without any extra spacing. Now inside this container, insert another container and set its direction to row so everything aligns horizontally. Assign a class name rotating wrapper to this container. Then insert one more container inside it, which will act as the actual card, and assign it the class rotating card. Inside this container, add an image widget. Select your game image, set the image size to full, and apply a border radius of 10 for smooth rounded edges. To keep everything well structured, assign a CSS class name card main image to this image widget. Now comes the part where we create the infinite blur effect. Select the last container you created, which holds the image, and insert a new container inside it. This will act as the fading effect layer. Set the minimum height to 100 VH so it takes up the full viewport height. Then go to the advanced settings and set the position to absolute so it stays fixed in place. Make sure it aligns perfectly over the main image. Assign this container the CSS class name card fader wrapper to keep everything organized. Inside this container, insert another image widget and select the same image as before. Keep the same border radius to maintain consistency. Assign it a CSS class name card fader and then duplicate this image 7 more times. The duplicated images will stack on top of each other, creating the illusion of depth, which will animate in the next step. At this point, you might be wondering if adding multiple image layers like this will slow down your page. But if you're using Airlift, your images and other elements are automatically optimized, ensuring your site stays fast and responsive. Airlift is designed to take your site speed score over 90 plus by optimizing images, scripts, and other web elements in real time, so you get a visually stunning effect without sacrificing performance. Now that the structure is in place, it's time to add the animation. Select the second container from the top and insert an HTML widget inside it. Paste in the required code, and as soon as you update, you'll see the effect come to life. The layers will create that smooth, infinite blur effect when you hover over the image, making it look dynamic and interactive. To complete the effect, we need multiple cards. Duplicate the main container 2 more times so you have 3 different cards side by side. Update the images in each duplicated container so that you have GTA on the left, Call of Duty in the center, and God of War on the right. Once done, update and preview your page. Now when you hover over each card, you'll see the mesmerizing infinite blur effect, giving your site a sleek and a professional touch. And that's it! A stunning hover effect that adds depth and motion to your site while keeping performance in check. Try it out, tweak the settings, and make it your own. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.